How to shut down Windows using keyboard only. So if you want to shut down Windows using keyboard only, then what you need to do is you need to press Windows and X keys together and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply use your arrow keys in order to go down. Go with the bottom arrow key or downward arrow key. And here you will have shut down or sign out. You need to go with the right arrow key and again go with the down arrow. And here select shutdown, and in this way you'll be able to shut down your Windows using only your keyboard. Or the simple way is to again go with Windows and X keys, and here you just need to press U key. You don't need to go all the way to the bottom. You just need to simply press U key and it will directly take you to the shutdown or sign out section. And if you press U again, then it will directly shut down your Windows. So that's how you can shut down your Windows using keyboard. Just press Windows and X and then U key twice and it will shut down. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.